Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I'll show you how to create a ending movie credit scenes. So the ensemble is like this. As you can see, this is the credit one for ending of movie. This is the dummy text. So the key thing you have to consider about this thing is you have to put the keyframe on the first and on the last of your text. So first so I will try from the beginning. I click default text, and then I already create a dummy credit scene from ChatGPT, and then I will paste the text, and then I will resize the text. So I will scale the resize, for instance, like this. Okay, I'm fine with this scale. And then at the beginning you add some, add one keyframe. So here from the position you can add one keyframe here, add keyframe, and then you go to the end of your text and then add another keyframe. So remaining on this position, so on the second keyframe, you just move the position of your text, for instance like this. So I repeat from the beginning. See, this is the credit scene. This is the credit scene of movie. Really cool. But the thing is, the problem is the text from the CapCut is very limited. Maybe about, I think it's 200 character. So what you have to do, you just transform your credit scene, credit text into some PNG format or picture format, and then you just do the same like I did before. Just add keyframe on the first and at the last of your text. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. So that's make fuel of this channel and make more good content for you. So hope you're doing well, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.